Hello everyone, welcome to your GK class. For your today's class, we will be talking about footprints of certain birds and animals. So every animal's feet is in a way different from each other, like the feet of a cow will be different from that of a cat. So we will be going to look at different footprints. So this is one kind of a footprint. This can be of a lion or a dog, we don't know. So we'll see the different footprints of different animals. So we'll be focusing on their legs or feet. First one, dog, which is very common and most of you already know. Dog's footprints look like this. So it's called a paw. So if you can see, they have this will be the print that they imprint on a bed sand or when they walk inside the house and all. A footprint like this is formed. There are other animals whose footprints will be similar to a dog's footprint, but we'll see that. Next one is an elephant. It is more of circular in shape, and these are the fingers footprints. So if you can see here, the elephant's legs are very big. The feet, it's very big and they give a very big footprint. When they walk, they give a very big footprint, and this is similar to how the elephant's footprint look like. This is the footprint of a duck. You know, ducks have flat feet. They touch the ground fully, and this is similar to the shape that is formed when ducks walk. So these things you cannot buy hard, but when you see a certain footprint, you can categorize it and okay, this can be a dog's footprint or this can be a duck's footprint. So that is the whole purpose of understanding. So this is similar to how a duck's footprint look like. Now camel, which is a little different than the previous footprints that we saw, you can see this will be 1 feet of a camel. It looks like a bean shaped or something like that. So if you look here, this is how a camel's feet is like. It is somewhat like two parts. See, you can see 2 parts. So this will be how the camel's footprint looks like. Now horse. Horse footprint is quite different because sometimes for horse the farmers or the people who takes care of horse puts a horseshoe that looks like this only underneath the horse feet for better movement and walking and running and all. So this is the kind of footprint that a horse leaves behind. Now similar to camel, let me see. See, similar to camel, giraffe have this kind of footprint, but this is 1 foot. See, giraffe also have somewhat like where a feet is divided into 2 parts, something like that. We can't specifically have fingers or anything like that here, or toes. Sorry, toes for a giraffe. So it's like this. This will be 1 footprint of a giraffe. Now again, similar to dogs, bears also have similar footprint. It is paw-like, but then the difference is that they have nails which is very sharp. See here, it's like a claw. So that's how they feed on animals and they find their food with the use of these. So this will be a bear's footprint. Next is ostrich, which is also a little bit different. Here, this is how the feet of a ostrich looks like, and this will be like the footprint that they leave behind. So they also have sharp nails, but then 1 feet it will be I feel like it looks like a leaf kind of thing, like two different sections, and that's how an ostrich footprint looks like. Now again similar to dogs but with many toes. See here if you can see, the tortoise have something similar to a paw, and this is how the footprint looks like for a tortoise. Next, similar to ostrich. See here, ostrich looks like this. Similar to ostrich, kangaroo also have similar feet. Like it's also into two, but then there will be gaps in between, because probably that's how they're underneath, that's how their feet looks like. So there are certain gaps in between, and this is how a kangaroo's footprint looks like. Now coming to lion, which is a very common animal. Lion's footprint also looks like similar to that of a dog or a bear, which you see. It is somewhat similar, but this part is a bit different for lion. See, lion's footprint will look like this because of this padded feet that they have. Rhinoceros have a different feet. Look at the footprint rhinoceros leaves behind. It is like in three parts. That's how their feet is. So this is the footprint rhinoceros leaves behind. Now I know you might have to go through this video again, pause on each and try and understand the shape of the footprint. And there are certain footprints that looks very similar but certain very different, like the rhinoceros or the horse. It is very different from that of a dog or a bear or a lion. So go through it again and again and understand the image of the footprint that is formed. Try to figure out or try to memorize this picture with the in association with an animal, and then in your textbook, the chapter called Footprints of Birds and Animals, you can match the picture with the name of the animal and the picture of the animal. So there are three matching criteria there. The footprint should match with the name as well as with the picture. So like that, once you go through the textbook also and then try to do the match the following, this will be more thorough for you. I hope you will be able to do the match the following after watching this video. Have a nice day.